Hello guys, so in this video I want to show you this really cool algorithm I created. So watch this. If you're going to refer to this as Stream Master. I mean, this is a working name, might change. So imagine you're trading something like this with these very popular and exciting bars, okay? And then you're like, okay, I want to, let's say I want to place a breakout trade right here. So when like price goes here, I want to buy. Okay. So watch this. In this case, okay, I can, and you can place two orders. If I place, you see what it does? It will actually look for the highest high, like which is higher than the current price, and place it here. Okay, and the lowest low here. Okay, but the fun stuff is that you can actually go like this and only place the top one, or you can just go like this and I'll just place the bottom one, and then this is like the breakout scenario, right? But you can also set it up, right, and place it. So these are stop market buy orders. On the other hand, you can flip it over with another button and place stop limit orders. So instead of going long here, it'll actually go short. Instead of going short here, it'll actually go long when this level gets touched. Okay, and also there's an offset, so entry order offset, and a place max look back. So basically, if I was somewhere here, for example, and I say, because I'm, no, if I was somewhere here, for example, right? So I would say, hey, give me like a long breakout order, but as you can see, we're pretty high up, right? So it would actually, so we're right here, and it knows. So it will actually circle back, okay? Circle, 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 circle back until, well, pretty far away, right? And it will actually do this one. It will actually take this one. However, that's only if this is set to a big enough number, okay? Which is a pretty cool controller, I believe, okay? So, have fun, guys.